The most fundamental and most interesting thing to me is that we are working on a particular process that we know should be operable throughout not just our solar system, but throughout our galaxy, throughout all of space as far as we're concerned.
(1972), Pioneer 11, out from Earth, passes the Moon, heading for Jupiter. As the spacecraft approached, the colored bands and the red spot could be seen.
We were actually using this telescope to look for quasars because they twinkle. And this thing's specially designed to pick out twinkling things. And after we'd been running, I suppose about a few months, I began to notice there was something slightly curious on the records. And then we began to notice that it was coming at the same sidereal time each time. In other words, it kept pace with the stars, not with any of our man-made activities which go by the sun or by Greenwich Mean Time.
When the fires of our own sun are finally exhausted, 5,000 million years from now, it's expected to collapse in on itself, the atoms crushing tightly together under enormous forces of gravity to form a dwarf star, still glowing white hot and about the size of the Earth.
We have become increasingly aware of our fragility, of the knife edge of chance on which our continents and our atmosphere depended.
There's no economic value to go to the moon. There's no economic value of going to Mars. It's not utilitarian in that sense. It's cultural. It affects the minds of people. And if material necessity were enough, the United States would be a very happy and passive place. It's not. And so the parallel issue of our times is a framework, a reference, a set of values, a perspective on man's existence. That's where space exploration is important, not in material necessity.